Hello, welcome to this video. So this video will be about a multiple choice question in paper 2 of DSE about equations of straight lines. So first of all, we are given the general form of the equations of two straight lines. So for statement 1, it's about A and C. So here I will try to have the slope of L1 . So slope of L1, that would be -3/a. And then since you can see the two straight lines are increasing, so you can see the slope of L1 will be positive. So that's why a will be less than 0. So similarly, slope of L2 equals to -c, and then gain is positive, so c is also less than 0. And then here, okay, from the figure, so you can see L1 would be steeper than L2. So that's why you can see from the graph, -3/a will be steeper than the straight line L2. So that's why -3/a would be bigger than -c. So by dividing both sides by -1, so that's why 3/a less than c. But here you can see 3 would be bigger than ac, because a is less than 0. So that's why here we try to flip the equal sign for a couple of times. So that's why finally AC less than 3. That's why statement 1 is correct. And then after that, statement 2. So that will be about the y-intercept. So y-intercept of L1. So that's why just by putting x equals 0 in L1, so that's why AY equals B. So that's why y will equals to B/a. So somewhere here. And then similarly, y-intercept of L2 will be here. So that's why D. And then from the graph, B/a will be bigger than D. And here you can see B will be less than AD, because we try to multiply both sides by A, and then A is negative. So that's why AD is positive, is bigger than B. So that's why statement 2 is incorrect. And finally, statement 3. So I think we can guess. We're trying to make use of the x-intercepts. So x-intercept of L1, similarly we try to put y equals to 0. So in that case, by putting y equals 0 in L1, so we get 3x equals b, and then x will be b over 3. So b over 3 here. And then similarly, x-intercept of L2. So here, that will be d over c. From the graph, so b over 3 is on the right of d over c, so b over 3 bigger than d over c. And we try to multiply both sides by 3c, so just like cross multiplication, but here BC will be less than 3D, because we are trying to multiply both sides by 3c, and c is less than 0, so 3c is negative. So that's why BC will be less than 3D. So that's why statement 3 is correct. So that's why to conclude, so statements 1 and 3 are correct. So that's why the correct option would be option D. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.